Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, All Motor Rob. You guys already know this. Today has been a great day. We got the slicks mounted, so stay tuned. All right, so yesterday I did my spark plugs in the daily. I changed the oil out, got everything nice and fresh because I've been making a lot of what I would call long distance trips in my daily. So back and forth to Orlando, each way is about an hour and a half, give or take. So I just want to make sure that everything's in tip-top shape. The engine does have over 200,000 miles on it, so I'm just trying to take care of it. So I've been busy with that. But this morning I got up nice and early and took a trip out to Orlando again to Enemy Creations to pick up my drag slicks for the front because we had to order them and they came in this morning. Big shout out to Luke, man. Yo, thanks bro. You hooked me up, man. Put on those tires for me. Didn't leave a scratch or nothing on them, so I really appreciate that. So yeah, so we're at the storage now and I got the tires here, so I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. So as you guys can see, I am more than ready to put these slicks on and see how they look on this car. And here we go. This is what they look like, guys. Look at these things. Got the skinnies mounted and balanced. So we're gonna go ahead and get them mounted up here on the car, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. Got my trusty Milwaukee. So guys, this is how she looks. I may have to make a few small adjustments to my front suspension, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, and excuse the gap on the front bumper over there. I still have to mount that up. I'd like to get some quick release tabs for the front bumper to come off nice and easy. But man, she's looking good. The top, it's probably about 3 inches. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it today. Just wanted to put those rims on, show you guys how they look. And this weekend, I don't know, either Saturday or Sunday, I'm gonna go rent I don't know if I'm gonna get a car dolly or if I'm gonna get a full trailer from U-Haul, but gonna take the car up over to my dad's and we're gonna put that roll cage in. So that'll be in the next video, guys. So if you like the video, go on and hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, go on and subscribe. We're growing as a big team. I got t-shirts being made, and I also have some stickers that I ordered. So once those come in, I'll do a video on the stickers and the t-shirts and what they'll be priced at and how you can purchase them if you're interested. So I appreciate you guys. Huge support to the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. You guys don't believe me about how light this car is? Look at this. About the tire.